Oh no! Come back over here. Hi. It's Scotland's 4-month-old birthday today. And he learns to scream. And he says the G sound. That's his new thing. And he's holding his head up, so hi. Such a good boy. Hi. Today's May 3rd, 2010. Excuse you. That was good. This is very new for him to be on his belly. He's hated his belly for the past 4 months. And he really only lasts for a few minutes. What are you doing? You're doing such a good job, buddy. You are. What are you gonna do now? This is where he loses it. Come on, I'll help you. I'll help you. Ready? Roll over. Oh. Oh no. Oh no. What happened? What happened? Oh yes, and he's grabbing too, with both hands. He's getting so big. He's such a good boy too. Bye. Say bye.